Bunk beds can save you plenty of floor space, and you can use them for various other things. You can turn them into a workspace or simply a cool place to hang out. There are many products available to choose bunk beds, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bunk beds from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. America Franklin Cottage Wood Twin Loft Bed. The Franklin has a timeless design, thanks to its espresso finish. It features a twin-size top bunk with 3-piece workstation below. It also has a drawer and cabinet compartment on the left-hand section for books, school supplies, and knickknacks. The single drawer has ample legroom for a center table, too. Moreover, the open bookcase design comes with 4 fixed shelves to take in as many books as possible. The furniture of America Franklin has an espresso finish that gives the bunk bed with desk a sophisticated design. It also features mission-style guardrails along the arching headboard and footboard to keep you from falling during the night. You can access the guarded top bunk via a fixed angled ladder. Positive side of this product: sophisticated design, thanks to the espresso finish. Sturdy construction due to wood materials. Open bookcase design for extra storage. Workstation with ample legroom. Guardrails to keep you safe. Fixed angled ladder to access top bunk. Number 2. DHP Miles Metal Full Loft Bed with Desk. The DHP Miles has a modern industrial design that can turn any space into a smart workstation, a reading nook, or craft area. It is available in multiple colors, so you can buy one that suits the decor in your bedroom. It also comes with a sturdy metal bed frame to provide a firm, supportive sleeping surface. Furthermore, it has an expansive under-bed clearance that includes an integrated desk for completing assignments, reading a book, or crafting arts. The DHP Full Metal Loft Bed features an expansive 58-inch under-bed clearance that you can turn into a smart workstation, reading nook, or craft area. Designed with safety in mind, it includes an integrated ladder that allows you to climb up and down effortlessly. It also incorporates 14-inch full-length guardrails to make sure your kids can sleep safely at night. Positive side of this product: designed with safety in mind. Stable, secure, and supportive. Number 3. Twin Workstation Loft Bed Black. The twin workstation has a modern design that is perfect for boys. It comes with a built-in desk, where your kid can do their homework. It also features a futon frame. You can purchase a cushion and turn it into a reading nook. It also works well if you have a television in the bedroom. Moreover, there is a ladder on the side of the bed for easy access. The loft bed features a built-in desk and multifunctional futon frame designed for work and play. You can place a computer on the desk or turn it into a workspace for homework. You can also add cushion to the futon frame and convert that little space into a reading nook. If you have a television in the bedroom, that works too. Positive side of this product: easy to assemble. Number 4. Walker Edison or Iron Urban Industrial Metal Twin Over Loft Bunk Bed. Walker Edison is a twin metal loft bed ideal for your space-saving needs. It accommodates a variety of options underneath the loft and has enclosed guardrails on every edge. The bunk bed with desk combines elegance and function to give you a piece of striking furniture. It also conforms to the latest consumer product safety standards, so you can sleep safe and sound. Walker Edison has an ideal space-saving design for small space living. It maximizes the open space below for extra storage and additional living function for reading and playing. It also features an optional built-in desk that includes a keyboard tray and a 2-tier shelf, so you can have a workstation without cramming up your bedroom. Positive side of this product: stylish yet functional design. Powder-coated steel frames to prevent damage. Sturdy integrated ladders on each side for easy access. Perfect for girls. Number 5. Ducko Kids Low Study Loft Bed. The Ducko has a modest design with headboard and guardrails for comfort and safety. It is available in white, which suits any color mattress. It has a pull-out desk that features a shelf for books, knickknacks, and school supplies. The bunk bed also comes with 3 drawers and another shelf on the side. Moreover, it has a 2-step ladder that your kids can climb up and down. The Ducko loft bed features a headboard and guardrails to make sure your kids don't fall off their beds. It also comes with 3 drawers for clothes and 2 shelves for books and school supplies. The pull-out desk is broad enough to fit a computer, too. Moreover, it includes an easy-to-understand manual with clear instructions on how to assemble the bunk bed. Positive side of this product: surprisingly low price. Extremely sturdy, thanks to a solid wood construction. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.